This week, I made a last-minute Christmas gift.
Yep, put down your tools, guys. It's time for a make or break. Welcome back to Make or Break, guys. My name is Rob.
And I'm Sarah, and this week, I procrastinated a little bit and finished up Christmas gifts down to the wire.
Yeah, fortunately for us, a bunch of cool creators have made special holiday gift ideas for Heart, and we decided to try one ourselves. Here's how it went.
Now, the instructions we're following for this quick gift come from Alana Marie at the Style Brunch on Instagram. And the beauty of it is, it only takes a single 1x2 to make, and fortunately, Sarah had one of those. She started by cutting out the 3 rungs of the ladder and then the 2 legs. She makes sure to cut a 15-degree angle at the bottom of each leg, just as instructed. This will allow the feet to sit flat while the ladder leans against the wall in the kitchen. Next, she laid them out in position to choose where each rung will attach. Then it was as easy as applying a bit of glue and then using brad nails to hold it all in place while it dries. Again, super easy. Now the brad nails sit just below the surface, so she used some wood filler to hide them. When that dried, it was time for a quick sand and then on to staining. Now Sarah picked out this dark walnut, hoping that the weathered effect, that we'll get to in a second, would be more pronounced. Now to get that effect, she waited until it dried and then used our random orbit sander to carefully add wear to the edges, and yeah, it looks pretty cool. Finally, she added a few rubber foops to the bottom of each leg to keep it from sliding around, and that was that. On Christmas morning, we tested it with some new towels she bought my wife Jen, and they look amazing. Our kitchen is a current work in progress, but when it's done, there will actually be room under the shelves for it. And my wife will always have a place for her new special towels.
Okay, I was super surprised at how easy that was. I mean, that was like
very simple.
5 steps and you had a very nice
It's
gift.
beautiful, and I really like how we finished it. I like that it kind of was roughed up a little bit.
Yeah, sanding over the stained surface
Yeah.
really made it look a lot older and interesting.
Plus,
It's cool.
the towels are really cool.
The towels are really awesome. I want to thank Heart for sponsoring this episode and reminding us we can build anything we can imagine if we do it with Heart.
Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss a thing.
All right, guys, break's over.
Let's make something.